Hey guys, Nick here, ZZ Diesel. Just wanted to highlight another new product we have under the Forged Diesel Products line. This is a fuel filler neck cap for the 3-liter Duramaxes. Factory, those trucks didn't come with a cap for the filler neck. This is a slip-in design with a thick rubber O-ring. Keeps dirt and debris. If you live on a gravel road or travel dirt roads a lot, you're getting a lot of dirt that gets behind that fuel door and into the fuel filler neck there. So this is a great product for you guys. Also will prevent any moisture or water that would get in there. Heavy rains, those kind of things. It's going to cap off that filler neck. We also send it with a magnet base so that with some 3M tape on the back, you can stick it to the inside of your fuel door, and it gives you a place with the pressed-in magnet in the aluminum cap here that you can stick it, and I'll show you that on our truck here. But great product for a lot of you guys with the half-ton 3 liters. 2022 3-liter here. Got it in place. Just pull it right out. It's got that nice O-ring seal on there, and that's where we recommend putting the magnet. Again, that part is 270007, available on our website, zzdiesel.com.